So, and we're on our way to the town of Conover, home to the Landover ATV Club headquarters. Our mission today, we're gonna meet up with Gary Jr. and some of the other folks from Landover. And we're going to install some kiosks along some spots along the trail system. So we're running a little late today. That's Gary Jr.'s fault. He knows it. And if he's watching this, he knows what he did. And don't try and say you didn't do it. You did.
Okay, don't even get out. We're leaving.
Okay.
Where's your mask or something?
Who are you? What did you just say? I got that on video. That's not going to get edited ever.
Hey! Installed them all.
All right, friends. So we didn't get all three of our kiosks in, so we'll have to save one for another day, but we got two of them done, so that's good. Then we ended the day here around 9 o'clock. The Bucket Tobin Lodge asked their kitchen staff to stay a little bit, and they cooked us pizza and hot wings and cheese curds. I don't remember if there's anything else, but you know, much love to those folks. We sure do appreciate that. So if you get a chance, if you're in this area, make sure and stop at Bucket Tobin Lodge for some food, some good times. It is now right about 10:30, and we're gonna make our way back home. I will see you next, you know, either in town or at home. So we'll talk then. Hope you have happy trails from Gunner and I. We'll see you later.